Hey there, car enthusiasts. Welcome back to New Brand Car, your go-to spot for the latest in automotive innovation, style, and performance. Today we're diving into something that's been turning heads ever since it was announced, the 2025 Ford Mustang V8. This beast of a car has been making waves, and we're here to see if it lives up to the hype. So buckle up, because this is going to be one wild ride. Let's start with the heart of the Mustang, the engine. Ford has stayed true to the legacy of the Mustang by keeping the iconic V8 powertrain, but with some exciting upgrades. This 5.0-liter V8 now produces an impressive 500 horsepower, giving you all the power you could ask for. It's not just about raw power, though. Ford has worked on refining the performance with improved throttle response, a smoother power band, and advanced cooling systems to keep the engine running at peak performance. Whether you're cruising down the highway or tearing up the track, the 2025 Mustang delivers. Now, let's talk design. The new Mustang has a bold, aggressive stance that screams speed and power. From the front, the sleek LED headlights and revamped grille give it a modern yet unmistakably Mustang look. The sculpted lines along the side lead to a muscular rear, where you'll find those iconic tri-bar taillights. The car sits lower, with a wider track, giving it better handling and a more planted feel on the road. It's a car that commands attention, whether it's parked. But it's not all about looks. Ford has made sure that the Mustang's handling matches its aggressive appearance. The chassis has been stiffened, and there's a new suspension setup that provides better cornering stability and comfort, even at high speeds. Plus, with the latest adaptive dampers, you can switch between modes depending on whether you're looking for a smooth ride or a more thrilling, responsive drive. Inside the cabin, Ford has stepped up the game with a driver-focused cockpit. You'll immediately notice the large digital instrument cluster that's fully customizable, allowing you to see all the data you need at a glance. The center touchscreen is sleek and intuitive, featuring the latest version of Ford's Sync system, which supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And let's not forget the premium materials, including available leather seats and an optional carbon fiber package that adds a bit of that race-inspired flair. Safety and tech. Ford didn't skimp here either. The 2025 Mustang comes packed with driver assistance features, including lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and even a performance data recorder for those who like to take their Mustang to the track. The tech is there to keep you safe, but also to enhance the driving experience, letting you push the limits while feeling in control. Let's not forget about the sound. One of the best parts of any Mustang is the roar of the V8 engine. Ford has refined the exhaust system to deliver that deep, throaty growl we all love. And with an active valve exhaust, you can adjust the sound to your liking, whether you want it loud and proud or a bit more subdued for daily driving. The 2025 Ford Mustang V8 is more than just a car, it's a statement. It blends modern technology with classic muscle car heritage in a way that's sure to satisfy both purists and new fans alike. Whether you're a longtime Mustang fan or just looking for a powerful, stylish ride, this car is worth every bit of attention it's getting. That's all for today's video on New Brand Car. Let us know what you think about the 2025 Mustang in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all things automotive. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.